Welcome dear students. Today we are going to study question number 9 from exercise 13.3. Topic is surface areas and volumes. So let us start. Question is, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter. Here you can see in the diagram, this is a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank. So this water is flowing from the pipe to this cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter. So diameter of the tank is given 10 meter and 2 meter deep. So depth of the tank is, or the height of the tank is 2 meter. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? So here the diameter of the tank pipe is given 20 centimeter. So we can find radius of pipe is, that is 10 upon 100. Radius will be 10 centimeter, and to convert into meter we have to divide it by 100. So it will be 1 upon 10 meter. And radius of tank is 10 meter divided by 2, that is 5 meter. So let us see now how to find the time. So here the speed of the water is given 3 km per hour. It means that the length of the water in this tank or this pipe is 3 km for 1 hour. So speed is 3 km per hour. It means that in 60 minutes, the length of water in the pipe will be 3 km. 3 km means 3000 meter, right? So therefore we can find in 1 minute what will be the length of water in the pipe, that is 3000 upon 60, right? So 0 will get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 5s are, and here this will be 0, right? So it will be 50 meter. 50 meter would be length in 1 minute. Now we have to find the time, in what time this tank will be filled. So we'll consider time required to fill the tank be t minutes. So we say it is t minutes. Therefore in t minute the length of water in the pipe will be 50 multiplied by t, that is 50 t meter. So here we get the length of pipe, right, that is 50 t, and radius we know that is 1 upon 10 meter. So volume of water discharge in t minute through the pipe is equal to, we know the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here pi r square h, right? Now h is nothing but the length of the pipe, right? So here we can write pi, and r we have found that is 1 upon 10 square, and h is 50 t. So this much will be the volume of water discharge in t minutes. This will be in meter cube, right? Now volume of tank, because we have to fill this tank completely. So volume of tank is equals to pi r square h, right? So here what is the radius? Radius is 5 meter. So pi 5 square, and h is 2 meter, right? So this will be meter cube. Now according to given condition, by condition what we can write? Volume of water in the pipe in t minutes is equal to the volume of tank, right? Because we have to fill it completely. So therefore by condition we can write volume of water discharge through pipe in t minutes in t minutes is equal to volume of tank. Volume of tank, right? This we can write by using the condition. So what is the volume of water discharged through pipe in t minute? That is pi 1 upon 10 bracket square into 50 t, right? That is this one. This can be the equation number 1 we can say, and this can be equation number 2. Is equals to what? Is equal to volume of tank pi phi square into 2, right? From equation 1 and 2. So here pi will get cancelled. This is 1 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10 into 50 t, right, is equal to 25 multiplied by 2, that is 50. So therefore we can write t is equal to, this is 25 into 250, right? This 10 multiplied by 10 transposition, this will be multiplied and divided by 50, right? So therefore t we get is equal to 100 minutes, right? So therefore we can write 100 minutes will be required to fill the tank completely. Okay, understood? Thanks dear students for watching this video.